Is Pepper about to lead the charge in the MEMECOIN revival, or are we just dreaming of Lambos again? Let's unravel the technicals, dive into the on-chain metrics, and find out if this froggy has the leap it takes to break new records. Stick around. This could be the difference between holding and FOMOing at the top. Welcome to Zaki Crypto Update, the channel that mixes serious crypto analysis with a pinch of humor and just enough memes to keep things interesting. Whether you're a crypto newbie, a seasoned trader, or just here for the laughs, this is the place for you. Make sure to subscribe, hit that like button, and tap the bell icon so you don't miss a single update. Let's get into it. Today we're talking about Pepper, the meme coin that refuses to fade into irrelevance. And the breakout from a descending symmetrical triangle. It seems like Pepper is gearing up for something big. But is the breakout sustainable? Can it smash through resistance and hit 0.4030 cents? Or is it destined for another consolidation phase? Stay tuned, because I'm unpacking the charts, on-chain data, and some spicy crypto opinions you won't want to miss. So let's kick things off with some price action. At first glance, this might not look exciting, but the real story is in the breakout. Pepper has emerged from a descending symmetrical triangle, a technical pattern that often signals a breakout in either direction. This time, it's aiming upwards, in either direction. For those who don't speak technical analysis, imagine a tightly coiled spring. When the pressure builds and the spring is released, it can shoot up with significant force. That's what we're looking at here. The key level to watch is $0.402187. Breaking this resistance could confirm a bullish rally and potentially send Pepper soaring toward $0.4030, the next significant resistance level. But what if it doesn't break? That's where things get tricky. If Pepper fails to clear $0.4087, we could see another consolidation phase, potentially testing the support level at $100.401682. Think of it like Pepper standing on the edge of a cliff. Will it take the leap of faith, or will it play it safe and step back? Now let's talk about the NVT ratio, or network value to transaction ratio. This metric has risen from 48 to 60.62, signaling a surge in on-chain activity relative to Pepper's market valuation. In simpler terms, more people are interacting with Pepper, which often points to growing confidence among investors. Why does this matter? A higher NVT ratio typically reflects sustained interest in an asset, which can bolster bullish sentiment. However, it's a double-edged sword. For Pepper to maintain its upward momentum, the NVT ratio needs to stay consistent with rising transaction volumes. If we see a spike in the ratio without corresponding transactional activity, it could signal overvaluation. It's like ordering a fancy meal but finding out it's all presentation and no substance. Nobody wants that. Not in fine dining, and definitely not in crypto. Community is everything in crypto, especially for a meme coin like Pepper. Right now, daily active addresses sit at 5,143. While this may not seem astronomical, it reflects a stable and committed user base actively engaging with the token. This is crucial because price action alone doesn't drive a meme coin. Its lifeblood is its community. If Pepper's price continues to rise, expect these numbers to increase significantly. Imagine the flood of activity if Pepper breaks its next resistance level. This stability in daily active addresses could evolve into a full-on frenzy. It's like a concert crowd suddenly erupting into cheers when the main act finally hits the stage. The more engagement, the more momentum Pepper could gain. Let's break down the technical indicators because, as they say, the charts don't lie. Pepper's relative strength index, RSI, is currently at 54.51. For those unfamiliar, the RSI measures the speed and change of price movements. A reading between 50 and 70 indicates moderate bullish momentum, leaving plenty of room for growth without hitting the overbought zone. Meanwhile, the directional movement index shows some positive signs. The plus DI is at 21.7. The DI is at 13, and the average directional index sits at 22. What does this mean? The buyers are in control, but the trend isn't yet strong enough to call it a full-blown rally. The ADX needs to climb higher to confirm that this breakout has legs. Think of it as a car revving its engine. It sounds promising, but you want to see it hit the highway before you call it a winner. Now let's get to the juicy part, liquidations. Over $269,000 worth of short positions have been liquidated compared to just $35,000 in longs. This imbalance tells us that traders are leaning heavily bullish. Short sellers are getting squeezed, and if this continues, it could act as additional fuel for Pepper's upward momentum. However, it's important to note that liquidation data is a snapshot, not a guarantee. For Pepper to sustain its gains, we need consistent buying pressure. Otherwise, we risk seeing a pullback that could erase recent progress. It's like a rocket launch. If the fuel runs out halfway, it's coming back down. Beyond the numbers, let's talk about sentiment. Pepper's community is known for its humor, memes, and relentless enthusiasm. While this can be a double-edged sword, it's undeniable that a strong community can drive significant momentum. Sentiment analysis tools indicate that social mentions of Pepper have been climbing, with positive sentiment outpacing negative mentions. This aligns with a bullish narrative, but it's important to temper expectations. Remember, the crypto market can flip faster than a pancake on Sunday morning, so don't let FOMO cloud your judgment. Are you still with me? If you've made it this far, you're clearly serious about your crypto game, or at least you love a good meme breakdown. By the way, smash that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications. Here on Zaki Crypto Update, we bring you deep dives, fresh perspectives, and yes, a few laughs along the way. Don't miss out. So, where does Pepper go from here? The breakout from the descending symmetrical triangle is a strong indicator of potential upward momentum. If the token can break through 2,187 cents, we could see a rally to 30 cents and beyond. However, if resistance holds, expect some consolidation or even a pullback to $280, 500, 1682 cents. The key takeaway is this: Pepper has the ingredients for success: strong technicals, growing community engagement, and bullish sentiment. But like any crypto asset, it's not without risk. Let's approach these opportunities with caution and do your own research. That's a wrap for today's update on Pepper. What do you think? Is Pepper about to redefine the MEMECOIN narrative? Or is this just another case of overhyped speculation? Share your thoughts in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to check out my other updates on the latest crypto trends, analysis, and news. Hit that subscribe button, leave a like, and share this with your fellow crypto enthusiasts. Thank you for watching Techie Crypto Update, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay informed, stay engaged, and as always, stay froggy! This video is for informational and entertainment purposes only and does not constitute financial advice. Cryptocurrency investments are highly volatile and involve significant risk. Always do your own research and consult with a professional advisor before making any financial decisions.